Please, what do we do?
My friend, you and I know that this is not the first time suitors have come for my daughter's hand in marriage. But we have never had any problem rejecting them because my daughter's heart lies with Okodi. But this is different.
I know the relationship between Okodi and your daughter has stretched for too long. You and I know that if it wasn't because of Okodi's shop that got burnt at Onitsha main market, if it wasn't because of that unfortunate incident that brought Okodi back to the village to become a baba, by now, Okodi and your daughter should have been married. You and I would have been here playing with our grandchildren.
That is the more reason I don't like what is happening. Okodi has helped my daughter and my family, that I know.
If only Okodi had listened to me all this while, he would have taken my advice to come to officially ask for her hand in marriage. Instead, Okodi says he doesn't want to bring somebody's daughter to come and suffer in his house. Can't imagine that.
Ijoma, I know that we're in a very difficult position on this matter. I don't know how the royal family will take it if we say no to them. They might want to throw their weight around and do the stupid things that rich people always do when they don't get what they want. My sister, rest assured that I will always support the choice of my daughter. I know she will never go against Okodi. Yes.
However it is, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm not the Katan Joga.
My son, from the look of things, the tide is about to turn against you.
It might seem so, but I tell you, I know the woman I have.
Yes, I'm not saying you don't know her. You do. But the constant visit of the prince to their house, I will not be surprised if her parents change their mind and force her hand.
Uncle, I understand what you're trying to say. But the truth of the matter is that it is only death that can take away the love we have for each other. Uncle,
Okudele,
you have nothing to worry about.
Onye Korea.
You know why my father gave me that name. You have nothing to worry about.
It's okay.
Informer! Informer!
Happy DK. It's okay. How are you?
Fine. Everything is fine. I only came to find out if Okodi was in today.
Okodi? He didn't come here. Hope he's okay.
Well, we heard that he was kidnapped this morning on his way to the shop. But since nobody is certain about how it happened, we've been running around.
Hey, wait. What did you just say? Wait now. You said he's been kidnapped. I don't understand.
I really don't know, but I don't know.
Wait. Have you gone to his shop?
How would I go to the shop since he's...
Hey, I beg, don't be saying he was kidnapped. He was not kidnapped. Or please, because my Okodi has not offended anybody, so don't be talking about this kidnapping. There's a way it used to sound in my ear. He has not been kidnapped, so we'll have to go to the shop to go and check on him. Did you call his number?
His phone is switched off.
No, there's no problem. Let's go to the shop. I know that he's going to be in the shop. Maybe he went for home service or something. We'll wait for him in the shop. I'm coming. Let me break up. Wait.
You said so.
What's keeping this girl now?
I think she said she needs to see her uncle.
Yeah, I don't know, but don't worry, she's coming.
That's why you be lying anyway.
Ah, she's here.
What kept you so long now? Eh? Have you heard about what happened to Okodi?
Chinanya.
Chinanya what?
Gift. I know you both have dark hearts. But to give you benefit of doubt, I'll ask you this. Do you know anything about Okodi's kidnap?
Yeah. Bessie, you are stupid. Something is wrong with you.
You say?
Who kidnapped you? Who kidnapped Okodi? Eh? Look at this one though. Somebody that must have planned his own kidnap just to see if Ifeoma can raise money from the prince or the entire village to pay ransom. Let me tell you, that guy wants to cash out.
Why, Oku?
Do you think poverty is something anyone wants to get used to? Mercy, if you did not exchange your brain for Agidi, you are supposed to know that with Okodi out of the way, that it will be very difficult for us to take control of Prince Chetana. You're supposed to know that.
You're supposed to know that with Okodi on the way, it will be more difficult for us to get Prince Chetana. Just listen to yourself talk. Chinanya, who is fooling who? Eh? You think you're fooling us, but no, you're fooling yourself. Stop lying and deceiving yourself. You don't want Prince Chetana for 3 of us. So stop lying. You want him all for yourself.
You're very stupid. What kind of rubbish talk is that? Eh? What is wrong with you?
No, you will not know what I'm talking about. Because you're daft and dumb and you think everybody's like you. You will not know what I'm talking about.
You're very stupid.
Listen and listen very well. Listen attentively, my friend. I know your games. I know your plans. I know you very well. And if I find out that you have a hand in Okodi's disappearance, just to spite Ifeoma, hey, if I find out, the entire village will hear our voices.
Yeah, you're very stupid. Turn the fire. Look at this idiot, though. Huh? Can you imagine? Hey, please. I do not want to imagine anything. It is just the two of us. And I want us to be honest with each other. Now tell me, do you actually want the prince for yourself, or you want us to control the prince? Which one? May Amadionha scatter you, yeah. You're very stupid. You're like a...
Hey! I know your plans, it will not work. Look at this person. Hey, Zibida, you cannot take the prince. You hear me? You can't take him. Look at this. Don't worry.
I have failed myself and I have failed you. I can no longer bear the shame of keeping you in bondage. I have freed you from all responsibilities to me. Please, move on with your life because I do not deserve an angel like you. There won't be any need trying to find me because this journey of shame will take me so far from places I've ever been. I pray you find happiness.
So you go straight to the point.
My prince. So we can't even, at least...
You said you want to discuss something very important with me.
Yes.
And it's all about Ifoma. So let me hear it.
Okay. Actually, I have good news and bad news.
Okay.
The bad news has to do with Ifoma. I think her boyfriend has been kidnapped.
What? How?
Rumor has it that on his way to his shop, some men stopped him and took him away.
Wow. I hope his people have notified the police. I just hope so. So, that is it?
My prince, the good news. The good news is, my prince, you are going to be a father.
I am going to be a father. How? What do you mean by that?
Okay. I am carrying your child. I am pregnant for you. Well, since yesterday, I have been thinking about this. And it not dawned on me that we belong together. You know, my prince, I know that it is going to be a baby boy, a prince, a handsome one like you. My prince, can you think of a name for this prince?
Oh my God.
What do you think? You see? I knew you were going to be happy hearing this news. So, my prince, when I was seeing your parents?
Oh, beautiful. Get out of my car.
My prince, I thought we would go to somewhere,
I said get out of my car. You think I'm one stupid, naive man that you can come and tie down with your stupid pregnancy?
No.
I don't ever want to see you again. Get out of my car now.
My prince, let's go and celebrate.
I said get out of my car now.
Hey! My prince, please now.
I said leave the car now.
My prince, my prince,
Hey! Push her out of this car.
No, my prince. What?
Out of this car.
My prince. Hey.
Stupid.
Just like that. Hey.
Prince, is everything okay?
Drive.
Son, why the long face? What's the problem?
Nothing. There's no problem.
Is Ifoma still giving you problems?
Mom, who told you about her?
Son, I don't need to remind you of my position in this place and the kind of information I have access to. Anyway, I found out that the girl makes you happy, so I had a discussion with the mother and we came to a wonderful understanding. The wedding will be grand. No expense will be spared. Trust me.
Mom?
What?
Why must you do a thing like that? Did I tell you I want to marry her?
You didn't need to tell me. I saw the handwriting on the wall. Oh, were you not planning to marry her? You just wanted to... Chetanna.
Mom, do not get me wrong, okay? I wasn't... I wasn't just thinking of doing that anyway. But Mom, I wasn't expecting you to get involved at this stage of things.
Unfortunately, I'm involved already, and that's the least I can do for my son. Come on, son. I made your favorite meal. So go to the dining and have a beautiful meal. Go now, it will get cold. Smile for your mother. Chaitana.
It's okay.
Tell us to be okay, son. Wow.
God will not spare whosoever that kidnapped Okodi.
Eh? He did not write that nonsense note and ran away. If Okodi had been ashamed of the poverty life handed to him, he wouldn't have been a baba in this town. Eh? Okodi has been kidnapped. Obidike, have you reported to the police?
That report can be made after 24 hours.
His phone is off. And people saw him being pushed into the kidnapper's vehicle. What evidence again are we waiting for before we could go to the police to report?
Ijeoma, calm down. Just calm down. We'll make sure that Okodi comes back home.
Obidike, go to the police and report.
Ifoma, you need to stop crying. Mother, why? Why will Okodi disgrace me like this? Nobody kidnapped him. Okodi just chickened out on me. It could be anything because, Mother, I have told you. He was kidnapped on the road. And he dropped a letter for me in his shop. Tell me, was it before or after he was kidnapped that he dropped that letter? Think about it. My daughter, I understand your pains. There's always a reason for whatever that happens to us. I have never seen Okodi as one that would chicken out to you. I have never seen Okodi as one that will quit on you. But then he did. Because he wants you to move on and have a better life. You're right. He wants me to move on. He's right. It's okay. If you stop, don't do this to yourself. If you must stop. Stop. It's okay. Just stop. Don't do this to yourself. Don't do this. Don't do this.
Greetings, my prince. Listen. What I'm about to tell you now is for your ears only. Do you understand?
Okay, my prince.
Things are crumbling around me. I don't like it. I want it to be fixed immediately. Okay? I'm having problems with those village girls. Okay? I just wanted to catch some fun with them, but it seems to them that I'm stupid.
No, my prince, you are not stupid.
No, yes, of course. Do not patronize me. Okay? It wasn't my intentions to get married to Ifoma. But no girl has ever rejected me. But she did. I wanted her at all cost. Okay? I don't know how my mother understood it. That I want to get married to her. Okay? But that is what I want to do. And I will end it.
My prince, I can fix that too.
Good. Good. Now, that tricky, stupid girl that calls herself Gift says that she's pregnant for me.
My prince, you know, these village girls lie a lot. But even if she's truly pregnant, then she will have to take it out.
I know I can always count on you.
Thank you, my prince. I am always at your service.
Good.
But my prince, you know, fixing all these things will require a lot of money.
That is no problem at all. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you so much, my prince.
Good.
Consider it done, my prince.
It's okay.
I look at them like gold diggers. Always looking for already made.
Who the hell does he think he is? Hey, this prince does not know me. If he does not come by tonight, I will go to the palace first thing tomorrow morning and break the news to everyone that I'm pregnant for him. Oginidi, what is wrong? Mercy, what are you doing here?
Nothing. Oh, really something. Because I was on my way to your house to see you when I overheard you talking to yourself.
Talking to myself? How can I be talking to myself? Anyways, I want to call my boyfriend that lives in Enugu. I didn't want my parents to hear what I wanted to tell him, so I have to come here.
Yeah.
And you, what are you doing here? Why are you looking for me?
Hey, Chai. Gift. I didn't know Prince Chetana now lives in Enugu. I thought he lives in the palace right here in this village. When did he move?
Did I tell you that I came here to talk to Prince Chetana? Hey, I came here to talk to my boyfriend, though. I came here to talk to my boyfriend, though.
Sorry, why are you shouting?
You are the one who is making me shout.
Sorry.
Sorry for yourself.
Calm down, Nonne. Why are you running speed like this? Do you know why you're no? Makisuka, take it easy. I am very sorry. That is very bad of me. Please forgive me.
Sorry for yourself.
And to make it up, guess what, Nne? To make up for my bad behavior, I have decided to personally go to the palace first thing in the morning. Early momo, I will go there and announce to the entire royal household that Gift, daughter of Okonkwo, friend to Mercy, is carrying the prince's child. What? Yes, it's such a wonderful news, my friend. Congratulations, congrats. Bemnaka, congrats. Hi, my friend Ibuago. Hi, Omaka. Do you know what it means? To have a child for the prince, to carry a royal seed in your womb. My friend, I am sure that Prince Chetana will marry you immediately. Hey, God has done it for you. Congratulations, Nne. And please, before it's too late, Makandowa, let me quickly apply. I want to be your maid of honor.
Mercy, please. Can you not tell this to anyone? Please, I beg you, Bikono. Let it just be between you and I. Please, I beg you. You know you are my friend and your sister. Hey, Chimo. Mercy. Hey, Chimo. Hey, what will I do? I knew that this big mouth of mine will put me into trouble someday. Just what will I do?
Why are you staring at me like that?
Me? How?
Is it because I'm not making sense or something?
No.
Or you don't want me to be happy?
How can you say a thing like that? Of course I want you to be happy. You need to be happy. You deserve to be happy.
Yes, that's why you're my friend.
And you're also my friend.
Hey!
Amen.
Mercy. What's with the long face? Cheer up. The world has not come to an end. Come and sit down.
Chinene, what is going on here?
Why are you asking her what's going on? Nothing is going on. It's just that I'm excited that you girls came to see me.
Excited?
Where is Gift?
Where is Gift?
Excited. She should be at home.
Excited. Let me go in there and get you girls something to drink.
Okay.
Nobody will dare say no. Come.
Chinene. Is she alright?
My dear, I am as confused as you are.
Since I came here, I was expecting her to be crying and all that.
That's the right thing.
But you will never believe that she's the same person that her fiancé was kidnapped.
Hey.
I'm telling you.
Is this the same informer that has been saying she's in love with Okodi and all that?
Fugonia now.
Mbamba, something is not right. I refuse to agree.
I don't know. I don't understand again.
Yeah, Chinanye, I am suspecting something. Huh?
What are you suspecting?
If I talk, the people will say Messi is talking, but I have to say it.
Say it.
Are you sure this girl does not have a hand in Okodi's kidnap? Just to be free to say yes to Prince Chetana's proposal. Check I know now. Check what you
Messi. Ha! What are you saying? What do you even know you're talking about? How can you say a thing like that? Huh? Must you always suspect everybody? Must you? Listen. I am beginning to think that you're trying to pin it on everybody so that nobody will suspect you.
What are you saying?
That's what I'm saying.
What?
You are also a suspect.
What kind of talk is that?
Is it talk now? Is it talk? I think I don't know you.
Hello, Chitana.
You will address him as Your Highness.
Unless I'm mistaken, we are getting married. So it's better for us to become intimate. Let's do away with the title. So, Chitana.
Ifoma, you?
Chitana, I actually wanted to come inside, but no, I said no. It's better for me to wait for you so you come outside and take me inside to see my future mother and father-in-law.
Ifoma, listen.
No, you listen to me. You have to take me in there so I can see my future mother and father-in-law. You have to introduce me to them. Let's go. Why are you wasting time?
Yes. Hold on. I would have done that, but you know, everybody's still busy with house chores and stuff like that.
You men are the same. Cowards! Yes! That's what you are. You're a coward.
No, you don't have to. Who the hell are you to talk to me like that?
And what are you going to do to me? Tell me, are you going to strangle me?
You stop it. You don't need to speak to me in that manner.
Oh, this is all your plots to sleep with me, to increase your body count.
You know what? I am going to speak to you when you are sane.
No, you don't have to go. Come back here. You're a coward. That's it, coward. All men, you all are cowards. Leave me alone. You are a coward. You don't even have balls. You don't have balls. Oh. I forgot. It's like you also have your body count. You want to also sleep with me? Tell me, yes, you want to sleep with me too. Coward, you are a fool. You are a coward. See, let me tell you something. Tell him that I'm going to come back here. He's looking for a lady to sleep with. Coward, that's what you are. What? Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Son, do you know what would have happened if that guy had walked in here and met my parents? Do you know? See, I don't want anybody to mount pressure on me to get married. I don't want it. And listen, I don't ever want to see those girls around this palace again. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Highness, I do. Is everything all right?
If you're not stupid enough you wouldn't have asked me that silly question. Huh? What was I thinking to have allowed you talk me into having something to do with those girls? Huh?
I am very sorry, Your Highness, but I promise you I will fix it. Everything will be all right.
Sam, your days upstairs. Did you just hear me? I don't ever want to see those girls in this palace or anywhere around this place again. Did you get that?
Yes, Your Highness.
Oh, God. What is this?
No hard feelings, Your Highness. Too bad I had to use it to get to those stupid, arrogant village champions. Oops. That was saying that in my mind.
Rise and shine, handsome.
What's the time? It seems I've been sleeping all day.
And what do you need the time for? You can sleep as much as you desire. I have told you that I'm going to give you so much fun that you would wish I never stopped. You're on vacation, my darling, and I've promised to spoil you silly. And that is exactly what I'm doing.
Amanda, you don't...
You don't need to say anything until you are done eating your breakfast.
Okay, you win.
Good boy. So.
I thought you asked me to come here so we can have some sugar.
Are you really pregnant for me?
Yes, my darling, I am.
You have to take it out.
My prince, why would you want me to do that?
You have to take this money and take it out.
No, my prince, I will not do that. I will not commit abortion for you. I am pregnant for you and I am going to have your baby. The least you could do is to be a man and own up your responsibility and marry me. We have a lot of things in common to make us a great couple.
You have to abort that pregnancy. You have to take it out.
I will not. If you don't want this baby, I know your parents would want it. First thing tomorrow morning, I am going to the palace to tell your parents that I'm pregnant for you.
Gift. Oh my God. Sam! Sam, check if she's dead.
I refuse to accept that your nephew can easily forget us and even the love of his life. In fact, I cannot imagine it. Okodi cannot suddenly become a coward and run away because of poverty. It is not possible.
I am convinced that he has been kidnapped. But what bothers me is that the kidnappers have not called to demand for money. Besides, the note that Obidike said he left at the shop. Obidike! Obidike!
Uncle!
Come here. I still cannot believe it yet. It's confusing. It's confusing. Where is the note you said Okudi left at the shop?
Ifeoma is with it. He actually left it for her.
Oh, Ifeoma. Have you seen her lately? And how is she faring?
Uncle, I have not seen her. She's broken. I don't even have the courage to go and see her.
Some things still amaze me. I'm still finding it difficult to believe. I cannot understand it. Which kidnappers will allow their victim to spend their precious getaway time to write a note for the loved one? I cannot understand it.
What is difficult to understand? The kidnappers must have forced him to write that note. That note was meant to hurt Ifeoma, to make her forget Okodi and move on. The person who would want Okodi out of the way in order to have access to Ifeoma.
Ijeoma, I know that you are angry, but that is not an excuse for you to bring trouble upon your head and your family members. Be careful. Mind what you say.
Oh, no, thank
you. I can't believe I just killed a human being. What am I supposed to do?
My prince, you don't have to do anything. Just don't tell anybody. Nobody will know. Just like I kidnapped Okudi Papa. Nobody knows about it. So if you don't tell anybody, nobody will know.
What did you just say?
Yes. Nobody will know.
You kidnapped the Papa?
Your Highness, you gave me money to take care of things. And I did exactly what I was supposed to do at the point. As a loyal servant, Your Highness.
What is going on? What is just going on? Do you know the punishment for kidnapping?
Oh, Your Highness, yes, that I know. But the punishment for murder is even more severe than that of kidnapping. So like I said, Your Highness, if you don't tell anybody, nobody will know. My side is sealed.
Son? Are you alright?
I'm perfectly okay, Your Highness. I'm okay.
What kind of a human being are you? Okay. Son.
Yes, my prince.
Listen to me and listen very well, okay? I am going to kill you if any of the things we did gets out. Huh? And my name is linked to it. I will kill you personally. Do you understand?
Yes, my prince.
Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out.
Okay, thank you.
Get out.
The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more effort you commit, the more you wanna do some more. The more you wanna do. The more you sin, the more you wanna sing. The more you do. The more you kill, the more you wanna kill. And the more you lie, the more you wanna lie.
The girl of my dreams, you took me where I've never been. Oh, You make my life a ding-a-ding-a-ding. You are my African queen. I'm an African queen. I'm an African queen. You are my African queen. Mama, good morning. The girl of my dreams, so you are my African queen, my African queen, my African queen. Mama, please come. Hey.
Ifeoma, my daughter.
Yes, Mama.
I have not been sleeping well for some days now. I know it is not good for my health, but nobody will blame me for that. If what concerns my daughter does not give me sleepless nights, I don't think anything else should.
Mama, stop putting yourself under pressure. If you have anything to say, say it.
Ifeoma, there is no gainsaying the fact that you love Okodi with all your heart. I know that beyond this facade of happiness you want everyone to say, you are dying in silence.
Oh, no, Mama, That is where you got it wrong. Ha!
My daughter, I want you to take what happened in good faith and move on with your life. Please.
Mother, I have moved on. I have moved on. It's just that you fail to see it. I have moved on.
I don't understand.
Mother, Okodi is dead to me. I already told Prince Chitana that if he is serious about getting married to me, then he should come and ask my hand in marriage. So, stop putting yourself under pressure. Life is too short to worry over nothing. Mama, I'm fine. I have moved on. I don't know why you're stressing yourself. I've told you, Mama. I've moved on. I've moved on. Hey, Mama, I've moved on. I'm my African queen. My African queen. My African queen.
Something is wrong somewhere. Ifeoma, I hope that this rejection from Okodi has not touched your brain.
No, Mother. Mother, please. You are my African queen. You know I'm going to sweep there. The girl of my dreams.
What happened? What happened to her?
I was on my way to the farm when I saw it. I recognized she was one of your friends, so I decided to come and let you know.
Mercy. Mercy. Gift is dead. Yes. I am standing beside her corpse as we speak. I don't know.
I saw this beside me.
I'll call you back. I'll call you back. We need to leave here now, please.
Should we call the police?
No.
Eh?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Let's go. Hey.
Evil is addictive and it is consuming. Whenever you carry, it's so hard to get out. Evil is addictive and it is consuming.
Not again. What is this?
Son? Is everything okay?
Oh yeah, everything is fine. I'm just
sure?
Yeah. I'm just replying mails to my friends in Canada.
Listen, son. You know you can always talk about anything. A problem shared is a problem half solved.
Dad, I'm fine. I'm just replying mails, nothing more.
How come I was here for a couple of minutes and you didn't even notice? And you say everything is fine? Are you sure, son?
Dad, I'm very sure. I'm very, very sure. Yeah.
Son? Are you in love with a woman and she's in love with someone else?
That I need to get done with this.
Son, you can always talk to me.
Ifeoma, you're looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, I thought to come and see you, at least to know how you're doing.
As you can see, I don't need to answer that question.
Yes, you're really looking great. Very beautiful.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm looking great because I'm actually going to somewhere very important.
Okay. I was thinking you could visit once in a while. Everybody misses you. Just come.
Okay.
Please come and...
Obidike, there is no need crying over spilled milk. Okodi, your brother, left me, and I've accepted it. I have moved on. Ha.
Ifeoma, did it ever occur to you that Okodi's kidnappers could have forced him to write that note?
And what will they achieve in doing that?
To make him stay away from you so that someone else can have access to you.
Obidike, Okodi loved me so much that nobody could have forced him to do what he did not want to do. So please, let's move on. Yeah, I told you, I'm going to somewhere very, very important. Maybe I'll see you later. Obidike, bye.
Yeah?
The more you lie, the more you wanna lie. It's consuming. The more you commit an evil, you wanna do some more.
Come on. What are you doing here?
Ifeoma, somebody is so surprised. You see the surprise pack worked?
Yes. Your Highness, I can see you're all dressed to go out. You can go see your business. I'll stay with Her Majesty.
Isn't she lovely, son?
Yes, she's lovely. Ifeoma, can I talk with you for a second, please?
Yeah, you can.
No. This is the only privacy you can have to talk to her. Here. Come on, son. I was just joking. Look at how you look nervous.
No,
as if you swallowed a bee.
I'm not nervous. I'm not at all. Anyway, forget it. Ifuma, please can I talk to you? Come on.
Son, is that the way to your room?
Mommy, you are a Lolo, not one nasty girl out there.
And the Lolo also knows the way to her son's room.
Your Majesty.
Ifuma, please, can we?
You have to loosen up, eh?
You think this is funny, huh?
Am I joking? Do I look like I'm joking?
I remember I told you to stop coming to this palace. Didn't I?
Do you know the difference between you and your mother? You think you're one smart prince who can sleep with every girl in this village and then go back to one artificial slay queen of his dreams. But your mother, she thinks I am the best thing that will ever happen in your life. So she told my mother to ask me to come. And here I am.
You will leave now.
I was talking, but you were not listening.
What?
Technically, you did not invite me. Your mother did. So you have no right to ask me to leave. You have to start getting used to me because we are going to get married.
Hey, what are you? Did she just say that? What's going on? No, this is not happening.
The more you sin, the more you wanna sin. The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more you kill, the more you wanna kill. The more you do, the more you wanna do. And the more you lie, the more you wanna lie.
What is happening? What is this?
The more you commit an evil, you wanna do some more. It's addictive and it's consuming. It can never be put off. It's only born itself out. The more you try to cover your...
Well, now I can see the arrangement is beginning to make more sense to you. See, I don't want you complaining about money. Just keep this up for a little more time and I will come take him home myself.
I will do my best.
Do you still have enough of the Mexican value?
Yes.
Good. Always make sure he stays hungry. And do not forget to always lace his food with the Mexican value.
I will. Thank you.
I'll be on my way now. In case anything comes up, give me a call.
I will.
Good girl.
The more you try to cover your evil is when you...
Relax yourself. What is it? Are you okay?
I had a dream.
And what did you dream about?
It was just a stupid dream.
You don't remember anything?
I was dreaming about flying dragons and I was scared they were going to roast me with their fire. But then they turned out to be friendly.
It's okay. I'll go in and get you something to drink.
Wait. Why do I always find it very difficult to get out of bed? Is it that I'm lazy?
I have always told you not to worry about things. It is my job to worry about things, while yours is to sleep, have fun and relax.
So what is this all about? What?
You don't have to scream at me. I have a lot of things on my head. The least you can do is sympathize and not be harsh on me.
You have a lot on your head.
Yes. I just lost my friend Gift. I know it doesn't bother you because you do not care about her. All you care about is your sexual needs.
And you think I'm a monster?
Did Gift tell you she was pregnant for you before she was killed?
She was pregnant for me?
Yes. She told me she was pregnant for you. But what I didn't tell her is that I am also pregnant for you.
You're pregnant for me?
Yes. You don't sound happy.
No, you know, I am very happy. I am so excited that I am going to be a father. But unfortunately, I am not going to allow you to keep the pregnancy.
What are you saying to me?
I am saying that I'm going to give you money to terminate that.
No. Listen to me. I love you. I love you. I love you so, so much. I love you with every blood in my vein. I am not going to terminate this pregnancy. I won't kill my child. I am going to keep this baby, and do not worry. I won't disturb you for anything at all. I won't bother you.
And what are you going to tell your parents?
They don't have to know anything. I won't tell them anything. I will just leave home and go somewhere far away and have my child.
Anyway, in that case, I'm going to support you. Yeah, I'm going to support you. Just tell me when you want to leave, and we'll sort things out. Okay? I'm gonna sort it out. Where are you going to?
I am going home.
You are going home? You came? You're going home? Oh, you just came for us to exchange words, then you go. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, you don't do that. Huh? Come on. You know, I've I've got some new styles that I would love to show you. Huh? You know.
Just leave me.
Some kind of freaky, that I would love to show you. Come on.
Just let me.
No, come on. You don't just have to do like that. Huh? Bend you down. I'll show you some styles,
Why does she always want me to eat? Once I eat, I fall asleep. Something is not right.
He does not remember anything. His mind is still mixed up. It's all right. I'll give it to him once he begins to remember anything.
My prince, when she gets into the car, we force her to take the medicine. And once she takes it, boom, miscarriage.
Are you sure?
Yes, my prince, I am positive. 100%.
Is she going to die?
No, my prince. Don't worry about that. Nothing will happen to her. Trust me on this one, my prince.
Ifeoma! I think someone is out to kill all of us.
Hey! Someone, I don't understand. What are you trying to say?
Mercy is dead. Mercy is dead, though. They found her corpse along the road leading to the stream, oh.
Ah, God. Mercy. Our own Mercy.
Mercy is dead. First it was Gift. Now Mercy. Who knows who is going to be next?
Nobody's going to be next. Nobody is going to be next. We have to inform our parents to report to the police or the Igbo or other relevant authorities.
When did this happen? I think it's last night. Yes, it should be last night because her parents said she went out last night and didn't come back.
Hey, what are we going to do?
Hey, I'm scared though. I don't know what to do. I'm scared.
Chinaya.
Mama? What have you girls done that is killing you one after the other? Ifeoma, are you in on this? I want to know because this is more than a coincidence. Did you do anything?
I didn't do anything.
I did not do anything.
I didn't do.
What are you girls up to? Nothing. Not anything. Mama, it's the fear. The fear. Oh, God, Ojo. Ojo is fear that is catching me. I don't know who is going to be next, though. Oh, Ojo. Ojo, na toka mo, Mama. Oh, Ojo.
Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you carry, it's so hard to get out. Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you carry, it's so hard to get out. The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more effort you commit, the more you wanna do some more. The more you sin, the more you wanna sin. The more you kill, the more you wanna kill. And the more you lie, the more you wanna lie. It's consuming. The more you commit an evil, you wanna do some more. It's addictive, and is consuming. It can never be put off. It only burns about. The more you try to cover your evil, is when you commit another evil. Yeah. Evil is addictive and consuming. Yeah. It is like a fire that can never be put off. It only burns save out. Evil is consuming. It is like a fire can never be put off.
Sweetheart, get up, food is ready.
Can I eat later?
Oh. Come on, you have to eat now. You won't like it when it gets cold. Just get up. Easy.
Can I just eat this food later? I don't know why I'm very weak. I'm very weak.
It's okay. Before you pour it, let me have it.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Hey. Oh. Evil is addictive and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. Evil is addictive and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more you...
What is going on?
My prince, nothing to trouble your soul about. It's just the policemen asking some stupid questions. But don't worry, they will never get to find out what you and I...
Just shut up. Why can't this girl let me be? Why?
Your Highness, is that something you want me to take care of?
You're freaking mad. What in God's name have you ever taken care of? Tell me one thing you've successfully taken care of.
One thing, Your Highness, I took care of Okodi the Baba. And is that not why his girlfriend has been following you up and down? See, my prince, the whole plan will be messed up if you don't sleep with that girl to increase your body count. That's the plan, remember, my prince.
You are a moron. Big moron. I don't want to ever hear you say the things you've done again. Nobody's getting wiser here. Do you understand?
I understand, my prince. What about Ifoma?
Oh, what? Ah!
Your Highness, you need to calm down.
If you ever tell me to calm down again, I will skin you alive. You put me into this mess. I don't even know how I allowed you get me into this mess.
I am so sorry, my prince. I am very sorry.
Now listen. Chinenye is coming here. I don't want to set eyes on her. Never.
Noted.
I don't know how you're going to do it, but I want you to take care of it. Do you understand?
Understood. Stupid village girls. They made mockery of me. And now it's my turn to laugh at them one after the other. Pilot 1 to the king.
The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more effort you commit, the more you wanna do some more. The more you sin, the more you wanna sin. The more you kill, the more you wanna kill. And the more you lie, the more you wanna lie. It's consuming. The more you commit an evil, you wanna do some more.
I have always suspected that is the food that always makes me weak and drowsy. Thank God I haven't eaten anything from her since yesterday. But who is she?
The more you try to cover your evil is when you commit another evil. Yeah. Evil is addictive and consuming. Yeah.
Keto, we have slept enough. Time to eat.
Why don't you go and get your own food so we can eat together?
Is that right?
Is there something you put in my food? I ask because each time I finish eating your food, I feel drowsy and tired.
We eat the same food. I don't think it has anything to do with the food. I'm sure you have not fully recovered.
Recovered? Was I sick?
It's okay. Eat your food, it's getting cold. Eat.
Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out.
Chinaya! Chinaya! Chinaya!
What is it? Eh? Why are you shouting my name like that in the public? So you want everybody to know my name? What is your problem?
How are you? How are you, Chinaya? It's a simple question.
It's a simple. Don't I look fine to you? Are you blind? Is that Fozo?
Efa, where are you going?
Obijike, how is it your business? How is it your business? I have warned you. Leave me alone. Stay out of my matter. We don't belong to the same class.
No. We don't belong to the same class. But unlike you, at least I know that I will not die anytime soon. I have a longer life.
What's the meaning of that?
So, it's not obvious to you that you are going to die anytime soon.
You're the one that is going to die soon. Thunder will strike you, you will die, even right now. You're very stupid. Oh, so you are wishing me death, Obidike?
No, I'm not wishing you death. I'm only telling you that whatever it is you and your friends did in secret is now haunting you
in the open. Gift and Macy died in mysterious ways. Who knows who is next?
What do you think? What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that?
I will not be the one to kill you. Sinaya, I will not be the one to kill you.
I am going to make sure
the only thing you will make sure is that you don't die a miserable and shameful death like your friends.
Thunder will punish you.
I think.
You see your BTK? God will scatter you. May Amadi have bring out your intense time. May thunder scatter you, destroy you. Yeah. You're very stupid.
Chineye, go to your papa house and die.
You will die first.
You will not die in my house.
Die first. Thunder fire.
She's not even fine. Go and wait for your death. Do you hear? Go and wait for your death. You are next to die. I still have 151 years to live. Go and die, my friend.
Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. Evil is addictive, and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. Hey, the more you do.
What have you done?
What have I done? Amanda, that's if it's your name. Your stories about me never added up. I would struggle to take my bath and then end up in bed, sleeping all day and all night. I knew you were drugging me, and I decided to do something about it.
Did you drop my food?
No, I made it tastier.
Oh.
With the same spice you use on mine. I saw you do it. Yes, I saw you in the kitchen when you put something in my food, and I knew how to give you a taste of your own medicine. Oh, your phone. Nobody's making any phone call right now.
Please, I have to go, son. He'll kill me.
You should be worried about me, not someone who's not here. Amanda, now listen to me. We are going to play a little game. I will ask you questions and you give me answers. If you don't give me the answers I want, I will bury this in any part of your body.
Please don't do anything to me.
What am I doing here?
Please.
I will ask again. What am I doing here? Wrong answer, you get another stab.
Please.
What am I doing here?
Please.
Ify. Hi, Chinemi.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the palace to see Her Majesty.
I knew it. I knew it. I have always known that you're one sneaky girl. But never for once did you deceive me with your good girl with principle attitude.
Is everything all right with you?
Of course I am okay. Oh. Please, pardon my manners. My knees are on the ground. My queen to be.
Can you stop being dramatic?
I should stop what? What do you want me to stop? I am just being respectful. Because I know that once you get married to the prince, you will demand that I should be brought to the palace as one of your servants.
Enough! Enough! I don't have time to exchange words with you.
Of course, you don't have time to exchange words with me. I already know that you're on your way to be with your fiancé.
Can you stop this rubbish?
Stop what? Stop what? I am asking you. You've always pretended that you don't want to ever have anything to do with the prince. But look at you. Just Negodoge. You're sneaking your way into the palace to be with him. Very soon, both of you will get married. Okay?
And what makes you think I want to get married to a leftover from 3 girls?
What did you just say?
You heard me.
I also think that is not a coincidence.
Your Majesty, it's just me and Chinenye. I don't want to wait until something bad happens to either of us.
Nothing bad will happen to either of you. I promise. Okay?
Your Majesty, please, if you or Igwe could talk to the police, tell them that we are scared. We are scared for our lives. Maybe they will put more effort into protecting us.
Don't worry, calm down. My husband is already on it. The vigilante are working so hard to fish out among us who the murderers are.
Thank you for seeing me in a very short notice.
I've always told you to take me as your mother. Which child thanks the mother for taking care of her own child?
Thank you.
I promise you, my dear, nothing will happen to you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Okay, now that you're calm, can I now ask what I can offer you? Don't even try to tell me that you don't want anything because I will not take it.
Where else should I stab you? Maybe your breast. Are you going to tell me what I want to know? Now listen, I will remove your gag, but if you scream, you will be sorry. Now tell me, who are you working with?
I don't want to die.
Who are you working with?
Get me my phone. You should be calling by now to make sure everything is fine.
You should be calling.
Yes. My phone is on silent. Please.
She will not take her calls nor reply her text messages. Oh, what do I do now? What do I do now? Am I supposed to leave everything I'm doing here and hurry down there because this idiot doesn't know how to use a phone? Oh, Sam, you must have been very, very useless to have allowed this girl talk me into her silly ideas of using drugs to disorient that stupid Baba. All this medical jargon. I will kill. What is it?
You said we should inform you if any girl comes to look for the prince.
And who has come to look for him this time?
She said her name is Chinenye.
Chinenye. I'll come see her. Hello. Hello.
Sir.
Your Highness.
Sir.
Your Highness, I was just rushing to the gate to something very important I need to take care of. So I was just...
Sam, I called you and you're telling me you want to rush to the gate and do what? What is more important than me calling you? Are you not supposed to come and know why I'm calling you?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Go to my car. Search it very well. Ransack it very well. Turn it upside down. Look for my international passport. I want it found now.
Your Highness, are you looking for your international passport?
Stop being a moron. I just told you to go and search my car, and you're asking me, am I looking for my international passport? If I'm not looking for it, would I ask you to go and search for it?
I'm sorry, Your Highness, but Chinenye is at the gate.
What? Who? What the hell is she doing here?
aside from the important thing I talked to you about, I was just on my way to find out exactly the question you're asking now before you ask me to go look for your international passport. Should I go send her home?
Your Highness, the girl just walked in.
Run! Run! Your Highness is the fool. He is the fool.
Some leave us.
No, he doesn't have to leave. He has always been there with you. I think he should be here to hear everything you and I have to say.
If you don't leave this palace now, you will regret ever stepping into this palace.
I will not leave until you answer my question.
Do you realize you're talking to the crown prince of this kingdom?
Sir, please, I want you to stay out of this. Chineye, leave this place now.
I will not leave. I want to know why my friends died. If you don't answer that question, I will not leave this place.
Leave now!
I will not go anywhere. You have to tell me, what happened to my friends?
Are you insinuating that the prince is responsible for the death of your friends? We will get you arrested and call the police to throw you in jail. Do you know that?
Fine! Excellent! Please call the police. Make sure you call the police. Since you will not answer my question, maybe you will tell the police what happened to Gift and Mercy. You have to tell them why they turned up dead after getting pregnant for you. Yes, I would like to know. Call the police.
What did you say?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Chaitanya, did I hear her say that her friends died after getting pregnant for you? What exactly is she saying?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Chinenye, are you trying to say that Mercy and Gift were pregnant for Prince Chaitanya?
Hey, just stop this. I don't just know exactly what you people are talking about. Do you understand? Son, I want you to take these lunatics out of this place now. Do it.
Hey, come on, stop it. No one is throwing anyone out of anywhere until I understand what is going on here. No, don't bot me. Tell me exactly what is going on.
That was how Prince Chaitanya played on the three of us. When he started hitting on Ifoma, we knew we were history and that he was never going to marry any of us. But by then, Mercy and Gift were already pregnant for him.
Mom, I can't believe you're listening to this lying piece of shit.
I will not have you call me names. I still remember what you called me when you were naked and sweating on top of me.
Mom, don't tell me that you've been listening to this shameless girl.
Sam.
Your Majesty.
You drive my son around. So virtually you know everywhere he goes and where he doesn't. Except the few minutes he's in the hotel room playing with his toys. Is this girl lying?
Your Majesty, I wouldn't say everything she said. It's entirely false.
Sam?
Your Highness, I was only trying to tell Your Majesty everything that I know. Your Majesty, you see, the prince has been very nice to everybody in the community. He spends time going around, talking to people to know what they need and try to help them in whichever way he can. And that's the same thing he did with these girls. Yes, Your Majesty.
Sam, did my son tell you he got any of these girls pregnant?
No, Your Majesty. I don't know anything about pregnancy.
Chineye.
Your Majesty.
It's certain my son could have done something with you and your late friends. But accusation of murder is something no one should take for granted. It's a serious accusation. Anyway, the police are investigating this matter right now. And until they are done with their investigation, my dear, I would suggest you don't call my son a murderer.
Okay, Your Majesty. Thank you. Ifeoma, you might think he is in love with you. He will only use and dump you. I pray you don't end up like Gift and Mercy.
Mad people everywhere. In fact, Mom, I am going back to Canada as soon as possible. Excuse me.
Son, I'll get back to you. I will get back to you later.
So this moron is planning to run back to Canada and leave me all alone. And that means if the police connects this murder to us, I'll be on my own.
Ifeoma, you have lied.
Mother, I did not lie.
You must be very stupid to think that I will allow you to embarrass this family the way you have planned. God will never allow such a thing to happen in my family. You will marry Chetanda and that is final.
I will not, Mother. I will not marry him.
Did anyone argue with you when you insisted you were going to marry Okodi? No! We did not, because both of you had come a long way. Both of you have been there for each other. Yes. But he left. He broke your hearts and left you. Was that not the reason you decided to marry?
Mother, I wasn't thinking straight. But now my head is clear. Prince Chitana is not the kind of man I want to make my husband.
You will not make him your husband, Ifeoma. He will make you his wife. Yes!
Ifeoma, I know you more than you can ever imagine. What happened?
Father, nothing happened. Nothing happened.
I see. Now I understand the level of your madness. But thank God, I have your cure.
Daughter, I need you to tell me everything that happened.
Oh. Sam. Sam is calling. Okay. He is going to call again, and you will answer him like everything is fine. Do you understand? Your phone has a voice recorder, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay. He's calling again. I'll put it on speaker mode. Talk.
Hello? Yes. I'm sorry.
Yeah. Now, you keep your sorry to yourself. Do you know how long I have been trying to reach you on the phone?
I'm sorry.
Now, listen. Do you have a medicine? I mean something that can do it instantly.
What are you talking about?
Amanda, what's wrong with you? I mean, do you have you should have a medicine or something. I'm expecting like you have an injection that can kill him right away.
You want me to kill him?
Do I have to repeat myself? I want him dead.
And you want that to happen in my house? What will I do with his corpse?
God, I thought the said nurses are very smart. Why must yours be an exception? Think from your head. You know what you have done to him. Whatever you can do to him, he already lost his mind. Just take him to somewhere nice and quiet and give him the injection and get out of there immediately.
I don't want to commit murder. And that was why I did what I...
I understand, I agree that part with you. But right now things have changed. As it stands now, I want him dead. And remember, I am paying you very, very well for this, okay? What's going on? Why is her phone switched off? Why is my call not going? Jesus, what am I thinking? Sam, what are you thinking? Think from your head. Has she been arrested by the police while trying to kill him? No, Sam. I'm smart. I need to run.
Don't move it! Are you Sam Omega?
No. Yes, I am Sam.
Mr. Sam, you are under arrest for the kidnapping and attempted murder of Mr. Okodi Okoye.
Kidnapping and attempted murder? No, Miss Officer, something must be wrong somewhere. I mean, this is the 3rd Street, and I'm not the only Sam here.
Samuel! Officers, don't mind him. He's the one we are here for.
Mom, I am looking for something. I'm looking for my international passport. I want to use it for something.
What do you want to use it for?
Okay. There is this form I needed to fill, and I want to use the number from the international passport.
You want to go back to Canada with it?
No, Mom. No. How can you say such a thing? I have a project I'm doing here already. Am I going to abandon it?
Really? Can I have a look at the form?
No, it's non-disclosure kind of thing.
Oh.
Yes.
Really? Okay, then go back to your room and look for it very well. It should be in that room.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's this look on your face?
He's looking for his international passport.
Oh, yeah, really? You should look for it properly. You must have dropped it somewhere carelessly. It's not difficult to look for.
Exactly what I told him, honey.
Oh, no, okay.
Wow, delicious meal, I must tell you.
Evil is addictive, and it is consuming.
Prince Chetana, is that correct?
Yes, I am Prince Chetana. Anyway, as you can see, I am rushing to somewhere. I guess you're here to see my father. He's inside. I was...
No. I'm sorry, you have to follow us to the station.
Am I kind of under arrest?
No, sir. You are not under arrest, sir, but we have a few questions to ask you.
For what?
There's an official complaint against you at the station by Miss Chinenye Nwoye, who alleged that you have a hand in the death of 2 of her friends, Miss Gift Okenjika and Mercy Okorocha, who were both pregnant for you.
Officer, that's a lie. A big lie from the pit of hell. Why would I have a hand in the murder of anybody?
Your Highness, I'm sorry, you have to come with us to the station.
Okay, in that case, let me get my father informed. Then.
It's not necessary. He's aware that you're going with us to the station. Let's go.
Honey, what's the need of going out there?
I know that I have already spoken to them, but I just realized I should have asked my son some more questions.
I asked him those questions, but...
What did you ask him?
Honey, I think there's something you need to know.
What could that be?
Our son was trying to run away. That's why he was looking for his international passport, remember?
Yes, I remember that aspect of looking for the international passport. But
the maid saw it in that couch. Before I could come in, he was already there. And he didn't know I was following him when he told the maid that he was going in to carry his bag to leave.
What? You mean he was going to leave without telling either of us?
I was even trying to find out where he was going to. Honestly, I would suggest we allow him sort himself out. Come on, sweetheart.
Okudele! Okwi! Okudele! Come on, Didi.
Why are you shouting Okudele? What happened?
Okudele is not home. Someone told me that he saw him.
Someone saw Okudele?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure.
Hey. Okwi. Hey, God, I thank you. Oh, God, I thank you. Eh? Hey, God, I thank God for bringing you back alive. We heard you were kidnapped. I never knew we would ever set eyes on you.
When did they release you? Was it the police that freed you?
Obi, please, let him come and sit down first. Let's get him something to eat before any other question we'll have.
I need to go and see Ifoma. How has she been faring?
Come and sit down first. Let me get you something to eat.
No, I need to see her. I need to see her.
Mama Ndudi, no need of hiding anything from him. No need.
Obidike.
No need. Okwi, Ifoma has moved on. She has moved on. Oh. Yes, so the note you left at the shop got her broken. I don't know if it was because she wanted instant healing, or it was the heartbreak that drove her into the hands of Prince Chaitanya. But she has moved on. Ifoma and Aligo. Ona. Hello.
Come and sit down.
She has moved on. Oh.
Guess what? Ifoma, guess what now?
Naza, please. I'm not in the mood for any guesswork.
What? You will love this guesswork, I promise.
Naza,
Naza, guess what?
Naza, please leave me alone, please.
See, listen to me. You will like this one, I promise. Just guess, try.
Naza, leave me alone.
Anyway, Okodi is back.
What did you just say?
I saw him on my way when I was going to. I saw him.
Is this a joke?
No, how can I be joking? He should be in his house by now. I'm not joking.
Naza, please. I don't just want this.
Joking.
Naza, listen. I don't want this to be any kind of joke. Are you serious?
Yes, I saw him.
Where?
On my way coming.
In his house?
Yes, he should be in his house by now.
My Okodi.
Yes.
Hey! Okodi!
Ifoma, what is it? Nasa. I've told you, leave me alone.
It's not Nasa. I wrote that note at gunpoint.
Okay.
Is it true that you agreed to marry Prince Chaitanya?
Yes. I said yes. Because I was hurting. I was heartbroken.
I was hoping you would see through the whole thing and realize that I was forced to do it.
I'd always believed that no force on earth was capable of making you renounce your love for me.
Are you still going to marry him?
I am not going to marry him. I only said yes so that the news will get to you and you'll be heartbroken too. I wanted you to feel the hurt I have been feeling since you left me heartbroken. Okay, you broke my heart. You shattered my heart.
I am sorry I failed you. I did what I had to do because they threatened to kill you if I did not write that note. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
So much.
Oh yeah. Hey. Oh. Evil is addicting and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. Evil is addicting and it is consuming. Whenever you get in, it's so hard to get out. The more you do, the more you wanna do. The more you for your commit, the more you wanna do some more. The more you sin, the more you wanna sin. The more you kill, the more you wanna kill. And the more you lie, the more you wanna lie. It's consuming. The more you commit an evil, you wanna do some more. It's addictive and it's consuming. It can never be put off. It's only born itself. The more you try to cover your evil, is when you commit another evil. Evil is addictive and consuming. It is like a fire that can never be put off. It only burns itself out. Evil is consuming. It is like a fire, can never be put off. Evil is at the